How to add or edit your bio on Honkai Star Rail. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're wondering how to add or edit your bio in Honkai Star Rail, then you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the Honkai Star Rail game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the phone icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on these three dots at the top right to open up this expanded pop-up where you need to click on Trailblazer profile. Now go to the bio section under signature and enter a new bio or erase the current bio and add a new one. After typing down your bio, you can click on confirm and there you have updated your bio in the game. Make sure to use your short and creative bio to make your profile stand out. And that's it. Your Honkai Star Rail profile is now a little more personal and unique. Have fun exploring the universe, collecting characters, and showing off your style through your bio. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.